Let's all swing with the letter rule. E is for elephant, big and gray. E is for egg, rolling away. E is for ear, it helps us hear. E is for engine, choo-choo near. E is easy,
Easy.
E is fun,
Fun.
E is moving in the sun. Clap your hands and tap your shoe. E is here for me and you. E is for eagle, flying high, spreading wings across the sky. Spreading wings across the sky. E is for eat, yum yum snack. E is for exercise, stretch your back. He says, let's say it loud. E is everywhere, stand up proud. And E is happy, E is bright. E feels good and sounds just right. E is easy, yeah. E is cool. Woo-hoo. E is jazzy, fun and true. Clap along, count to 3. Let's all dance for letter E. E is done, our song is through. See you next time, just me and you.